Welcome to Z Crypto, guys. On this video, I'd like to share with you application on the premise. Application, it pays you for taking pictures, no answer my surveys. They pay 25 cents per picture. Minimum withdrawal $5. Cash out methods pane Visa, PayPal, ni Coinbase. And one thing I love about Coinbase is Coinbase no one go for anytime. You don't need any money, unlike Visa. Coinbase no go for account yako, you go to coinbase.com and you create your account, your wallet, and autotanga to some funds. And I have a WhatsApp group. Anyone who are interested in buying and selling Bitcoin, I'll put the link in the description. And I have made over $150 using multiple phones with this application. Guys, go and check this application per Google Play Store, per iOS Store. If you like making money online, be sure to subscribe. On my next video, ring around poster that pays you for walking around. You don't want to miss that.